Hello?
Oh, he's gonna love this, bruh.
Okay. What do I feel like the tires are flat? I want to do a few things on the Grom. First thing, I want to add actually no, first thing I'm gonna change the oil and filter, and then I want to add bar end mirrors. Ah, dang it. I need to turn the bike around. It's facing the wrong way. This will be the first video on this channel. My previous channel got blocked. That's a story for another day. Still recording? Yeah, it is. All right. Okay. Oil pan under the thing. I can't. It's on the wrong side. If I have the block, it's gonna fall forward.
No, I won't.
Yeah.
No, I won't. No, I won't. Just put the wheel straight. Yep.
Let go there.
Let me get a smaller one.
That's Jeevan, by the way. I'm gonna take this off. It's hot. All right, first thing. Okay, also, I've never done an oil change on this bike. I've had this bike for a little bit, but I haven't driven it much. It's at 1,200 kilometers. But I think it's time for an oil change. It's been time for an oil change. I've just been lazy. So the first on the Grom, this is a 2022 Honda Grom. The oil pan thing, you don't want to go all the way in there. Bring it back out. So this is the drain plug thing. And so let's open it. I'm going the wrong way. Lefty loosey. This is left, right? Oh shit. I should have left the bike running a little bit. Aye. Okay. The oil is nice and cold. It's supposed to be a little warm. But that's okay. So we'll let this drain out for a little bit. And in the meantime, I think I'll actually take out the filter. Yeah. And this is the oil filter thing right here. Move back a bit. Like back up. This is easier to open, thankfully. Okay. So everything is out. There's a spring in there that you got to take out as well. Don't lose it, because I don't know what you do without it.
Those are the pipes.
Okay, yeah. Do you have a rag?
Spring.
Okay, we got to take this out. Come closer. Oh, this 8mm sticks in perfectly. Oh my god, that is... This is the old filter, okay? This is what we're trying to change. This definitely needed to be changed. I think it's supposed to be red. At least the new one I got is red. Okay. Good. Oh, there's still more oil coming out. So, this right here, sponsored by Amazon. It's a bag. Okay. Inside the bag is another bag. Yeah. And inside the bag, there is a box. Inside the box, there is, you'll never guess, a filter. This rubber side goes on the inside, and this not rubber side goes on the outside.
That's so complicated.
This looks like it is almost empty. I'm gonna put this bike back to our ghetto stand. Filter in, and as long as it fits, that's perfect. Next thing, the spring. This is the spring I was talking about. Jeevan already showed you. That goes inside the little hole, and then you get the plate. The plate, I'm just gonna wipe a little bit actually. And then this just goes on top. And I'll take my screws, hand tighten them first. Do you have a funnel?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. You need a funnel, cause or else it's gonna suck.
Right.
My back hurts. Okay. This goes right into the hole that we took it out. Okay, actually, this can be moved out the way now. And then just tighten this up. First hand tighten it, and then once it's in, and give it a little tug, and a quarter turn after. Okay, that's good. Next thing, funnel in the oil thing. It's a long funnel. Anyways, okay, so this is the oil I have gotten. It's 1040 by Max Cycle. Okay, you can put the camera back up. Okay. And it's by Roll Purple. It's supposed to be good. This is what I used in my RX-8. So hopefully, I don't know if you're supposed to shake oil. Do you? Bismillah. Do not fall out. You need 1 quart of oil. So I need all of it in there. Is there any leaks? I think I did good. Okay, 1 full quart of oil inside, and everything should be good to go, inshallah. Now the bike should be good. Nah, should I start it? I'm scared. It's not starting. Don't leave your bike running or on when you're not using it, because it won't turn back on. Yeah, it's dead as hell. Okay, let's turn this off. These clamps are too big. Got it. Okay, there you go.
Rub it.
Nice, that's how you jump a bike. It's working. Let's see. Oh, never mind. I got it. We're good. There's no leaks. We're good. The second thing I got is bar end mirrors. So like I mentioned before, I don't have any mirrors on this bike. The previous ones, I don't like the way they're placed. Like from the previous owner, it was covering my indicator and my starter, and the ignition. So I bought bar end ones. So let's unbox these guys. Got them from Amazon. Nothing fancy. I just need them to do the job. That's it. See, matches. Look at that. With this, first we gotta take this out. This is a pro taper bar, so just a little plug at the end, which you can just take a flat head, or I got my little pocket knife, and just bring it right out. This up from the bottom or the top, depending on how you have it set up. The way I set it up is this way, because I want the mirror to come down under. Bolt it on, then you grab your mirror and then just place it right here, and it has a little cover right here. The cover, you just hand tighten first, Allen key, and just tighten it up all the way. Oh, I should turn this off again, it's gonna die. My indicator, and that's not safe.
Well, it's not good to look at yourself while you're riding. You gotta look at the road.
No, I gotta see myself. Gotta make sure I look good. Okay.
I mean, you don't even see yourself at that point. You're looking at your legs.
Okay, let's see. So this is not gonna work because I can't see. Think about there will be good. Oh, nice. It works. It does not. Okay.